I'm the listing agent. May I help you?
Yeah, my name is Mrs. Leona Campbell, and I live a couple blocks down the way, and I was walking by on my way to the pick and save, you know. We're out of toilet paper at my house. And I just noticed, honey, that there is a misprint on these flyers that you got. There's way too many zeros.
That's not a misprint. $1 million is the price.
Really? $1 million? Is that Chinese money?
No, ma'am. That's 1 million American dollars.
Oh, my goodness. Really? For this house? Honey, is there a gold mine in the basement?
Don't be silly. There is no basement.